Good morning, friends. This is going to be the first lecture of mathematics, and today's topic of our discussion is circle. And as we know, circle is the most fundamental shape in the universe. Like we can see in this figure, satellite revolving around the Earth revolves in circular orbit. And the pre-knowledge required for this topic circle is Pythagoras theorem and basic terminology used in the circle. And the topics which will be covered in this today's lecture are what is the circle. In this topic we will discuss the definition of the circle, and after that we will discuss standard form of the equation of the circle, and after discussing standard form of the equation of the circle we will discuss general form of the equation of the circle. After knowing general form of the equation of the circle, we will discuss few examples regarding circle. Now we move on to our next slide. As we know, circle is the most fundamental shape in the universe. In this figure, we can see that satellite revolves around the Earth in circular orbit. This is the shape of circle, and there are many things which are in our daily life used in the circular form, like bingo drum, tabla, bass drum, and wheel of the cycle, and a coin. And we can say, see here in our national flag, a circle is at the center. Now we move on to our now we will discuss definition of the circle. The locus of set of all the points on a plane which are at a fixed distance from a point is called circle. Like if we take this point as C, and this is the fixed point, and at a distance R we take another point A, which can move in such a way that it is at a fixed distance from the point C. So the shape which will come as a locus is called circle. And after knowing the definition of the circle, we will discuss about some terms which are used in the circle, like chord of the circle. This is called chord of the circle. This is called radius of the circle, and this is diameter of the circle, and this is tangent to the circle, which is perpendicular to the this diameter. And after that, as we know, this is secant to the circle. Now, after knowing definition of the circle, we will discuss standard form of the equation of the circle and how mathematically we can represent a circle. If we take this point C as center and denote this point by coordinates a comma b, and take this point as A, and if we draw a line parallel to x-axis, this and this line from A parallel to y-axis, and we write this point as B, and these are two perpendicular lines. So in this right angle triangle, if we have a closer look at this triangle, then this will look like this triangle. This point is A, this is A, and this is C, and the coordinates of C are a comma b, and the coordinates of a are x comma y, and x y are the points which lie on the circle. So the coordinates of b will be x comma b, means a and b will be having same x coordinate, and c and b will be having same y coordinate. So by Pythagoras theorem we know that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of two sides, BC square. So from this triangle we can see that the length of CV is equal to x minus a, and the length of AB is equal to y minus b. And as we know, this point is at a fixed distance r from the center of the circle. So AC is equal to r. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, we can see x minus a to the whole square plus y minus b to the whole square is equal to r square, and this equation is called standard form of the equation of the circle. This is standard form of the equation of the circle. Now after knowing standard form of the equation of the circle, we move on to our next topic, general form of the equation of the circle. As we know, the standard form of the equation of the circle is x minus a to the whole square plus y minus b to the whole square is equal to r square. So we can get a equation which represents a circle, and we may not be knowing it. So how we can get this equation? So after expanding this equation, we will get x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus b square minus 2yb is equal to r square. So if we take a and b as some constant and r as some constant, and if we assign the value a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and r is equal to 4. So the above equation will become like x minus 2 to the whole square plus y minus 3 to the whole square is equal to 4 square. Now this whole equation on expanding each term will become x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 16. So as we can see, if we transfer this 16 on left hand side and combine all these similar terms together, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 16 is equal to 0. Means x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can see from this equation, this is equation similar to the general form of the equation, similar to the general form of the equation of the circle. So if we put these constants as g, f and c, so this equation will look like ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And if this equation represents a circle, so the condition is a is equal to b is equal to 1 and g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. These are the two conditions for a circle. So if in this equation a is equal to b and both are equal to 1 and g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then this equation represents a circle. So this is the general form of the equation of the circle. Now we move on to our next topic, and that is we will discuss some problems regarding equation of the circle. Like in this example 1, if the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0, find out the center and radius of the given circle. If we write this equation, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now if we combine these x similar terms together and terms of y together, then this will become like this. And if we want to convert this equation for converting the above equation in standard form by squaring both these terms, we can convert this equation into standard form of the equation. So this equation will become x plus 1 to the whole square minus 1 plus y plus 2 to the whole square minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0, because from this we will get plus 4 and this plus 4 and this minus 4 will cancel each other, and as similar in this case we will get 1 and 1 plus minus 1 will cancel each other and this will give 0. So this equation is similar to this equation. So now this 4 and this 4 will cancel each other. So this will become x plus 1 to the whole square plus y plus 2 to the whole square is equal to 1, and this can be written as 1 square. So now we move on to our next slide, and that is this equation. Again we can write here x plus 1 to the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 1 square. Now if we compare this equation with the standard form of the equation of the circle, x minus a to the whole square plus y minus b to the whole square is equal to r square. Here we know a comma b are the points of center of the circle, and r is the radius of the circle. So on comparing equation 1 and 2, on comparing 1 and 2, we get a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2, and r is equal to 1. And so answer will become center is at minus 1 comma minus 2, and radius is 1. So this is the end of this video lecture, and in the next video lecture we will discuss about some other properties of the circle, like what is the equation of the circle, what is the tangent to the circle, what is the equation of the normal of the circle, equation of tangent to the circle, what is radical axis, and all that. Thank you for watching this video lecture.